New Ford EcoSport 2021 model, release date, price. Among the best types within a speedy developing subcompact SUV sector is ideal for positive this impending Ford EcoSport 2021. Tiny SUV sector currently has confident well-known leaders just like Mazda CX-3 together with Chevy Trax. Ford launched almost all of the specifications for that 2021 EcoSport, and also this subcompact SUV is a bit more inexpensive compared to anybody anticipated. Seat's place is definitely a little bit evolved. Freight area plus usefulness are generally increased more, in addition to all-wheel drive setup is offered. Innovative infotainment process, 10 external hues plus 7 background light solutions get recently EcoSport within the location to competitor many of the lot more well-known competitors. Ford EcoSport 2021 redesign. Exterior design. The newest Ford EcoSport is just about the littlest styles in their sectors. The actual span is merely a little above 161 ins. It includes a vital wheelbase, this method 99.2 ins, and also thickness 69.5 in. Nonetheless, its type, as opposed to the existing U-Might elevation 65.1. As well, it can control barbells for 3,050 to 3,350 pounds. The brand new outdoor changes will be small, and bizarre side-to-side leading grille and even coolly formed front lights remain on hand. Car front lights will be regular, identical to the rear Digicam. A moonroof remains part of the non-obligatory products. Some sort of capless gas product is an excellent accessory for the latest Ford EcoSport 2021. In addition to moving tailgate opens up about the area rather than up. All round, the actual outside is far more compared to pleasing, plus 2021 EcoSport mixes energy utilizing beautifully toned design that is distinctive in the compact subcompact SUV market. Should you go with modern EcoSport, you can make a choice from at least these 10 outer shades. Interior design. These Ford EcoSport 2021 has the astonishingly athletic inside. In addition to that, freight convenience is fantastic, getting under consideration it happens to be called to be a subcompact SUV. Contrasting traveler in addition to freight living space featuring its rivals, EcoSport provides more space compared to Chevy Trax and even Mazda CX-3 and fewer area as compared to Honda HR-V. The modern infotainment technique is extra, which is the actual emphasis of your 2021 unit. The brand new SYNC3 infotainment program offers Google Android Automotive, Apple CarPlay, as well as an 8-inch touchscreen display. Smartphone incorporation carries on more, as you possibly can start off, locking mechanism or perhaps open the car from your own smartphone. Following your car or truck decrease inside the parking area and also checking out Energy Point is one other selection that could be on the market. This 2021 EcoSport delivers approximately 7 background lighting fixtures solutions, and also chairs are quite cozy. Also, it will probably be offered in 4 trims: S, Titanium, and even SES. Every tone is sure to get distinctive characteristics. Ford EcoSport 2021 engine. The latest Ford EcoSport includes a pair of engine choices. This structure engine is usually a 1-liter EcoBoost having 3 cylinders. It will create around 124 horsepower and also 125 lb-ft with torque. Also, that engine can be linked to a 6-pace automated transmission utilizing guidebook switching function in addition to the entrance tire get arrangement. The actual non-obligatory plus more highly effective engine is usually a 2-liter a number of tube drivetrain that is indeed scored in 167 horsepower and also 149 lb-ft of torque. The driver presents another 6-velocity automated transmission with an all-tire travel setup. Also, this engine gives us 10.5 secondly velocity period with absolutely nothing to 60 miles per hour. It can get to a high rate of 110 miles per hour. The most up-to-date Ford EcoSport 2021 unit features the most senior possible towing status for 2000 Fat. Additionally, while using scaled-down powerplant 1.1-liter turbocharged, the following unit incorporates EPA city/freeway/coupled fuel economy involving 27/29/28. Here is a terrific financial system. Having said that, while using more powerful powerplant 2-liter 4-tube engine, the idea delivers EPA city/freeway/put-together fuel economy, with 23/29/25 miles per gallon. When we presently reported, the first engine has the top-tier travel technique. In addition to there is not any enhanced to AWD, even though subsequent one has the AWD system when regular. Ford EcoSport 2021 price and release date. The current Ford EcoSport 2021 is definitely an economical type, and it is rate dependent upon cut amount. The first, together with bottom S using front side tire, generate begins on $21,000. Having said that, along with the S-Clip and all sorts of tire travel program, this rate goes to $22,500. If a person decides on to get Clip SE FWD, it should shell out tiny lower than $24,000, even though this similar reduce utilizing AWD expenditures $25,500.